Hey guys, so today I'm trying out a Bantu Knot Twist Out. I think that's what it's called. This is the first time I'm trying it out and I felt like the results were pretty good and I kind of wanted to show you guys, and also I'm adding an updo at the end. So today I'm going to use the True Made by Beautiful butter, and I already have a little bit of leave-in conditioner in my hair, and that's the Curls Junkie Smoothing Lotion. So I'm just going to go ahead and smooth that into my hair. It's pretty damp, and once I detangle that, I always put a little bit of extra product on the ends just to make sure that my ends are smooth once I take them out. Then I'm going to go ahead and take a medium to small size section and twist it, and I make sure to twist it pretty tight because I notice that it gives me a lot more definition. And then when I get to the end, I make sure that my hair is detangled and smooth and covered with enough product, and then I twist it around with my finger, and then I'm going to wrap the twist around the actual twist and put that into a Bantu knot. And I usually just pin it up with the bobby pin so that when I sleep I make sure that none of them unravel. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to do that to the rest of my hair. I think altogether I had about like 14 sections, and so this is pretty small sections. Next time I try this out, I'm going to do bigger sections just because I kind of like a more of a fluffy look. So I air dried my hair for about 2 days or a day and a half. It was still kind of damp on the roots. I tried to blow dry it a little bit, but I didn't really want to dry out my hair. So I'm going to unravel them and I'm going to hope that they come out good or good enough. And so that's what I'm going to do. And I apply a little bit of oil on my hands just so that I minimize any frizz. Bantu knots definitely always give me a lot of shrinkage, but I love the volume that it provides me and just like the bouncy curly look. I've tried Bantu knots before, but I've tried it on stretched hair without a twist, and so that gave me a bit more length, but I wanted to try something different and see how this worked out. And so basically I'm going to take out the twist, but I'm going to also separate them into really small sections just so I can get more volume. Putting my hair in small to medium twists definitely gives me more definition, but I feel like if I used bigger sections and had chunkier twists with the Bantu knot, I'd have more volume but less definition. And with smaller twists, I get more definition and I still get the volume but not as much. And so that's why I'm going to make sure to use a pick and get more volume. So I wasn't sure if I was really feeling this hairstyle at the end. So what I did was I took some bobby pins and I kind of added some length to my bangs because I did cut them recently and I really didn't like the way they were sitting in this hairstyle. And then I picked it up a bit more and tried to create like a really cute looking fro. And I did eventually like it, but I think that next time I do this style, I'm going to use bigger sections just to get more volume. And so I decided to put my hair up in an updo hairstyle, and I wanted to show you guys how I did that as well. So if you guys watched my last video for my up style, I basically just put half my hair up in a ponytail and the other half I just kind of clipped up. But in this video, I'm actually just pinning up the sides with some bobby pins just to get more volume at the top. And then at the bottom, I used 2 clips to keep my hair up. If I had a bigger clip, I definitely would just use one, but I only have small clips for now. And then just kind of playing around with my bangs. And if you kind of want the top to be a bit smaller, you can definitely just continue adding more bobby pins just to kind of make the top more smaller. And for me, I like volume, so I really didn't do too much. Plus I couldn't find my bigger bobby pins, and it's a lot easier to use bigger bobby pins if you have like a lot of hair to work with. And so yeah, this is what the end result looks like, and I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.